My Dad is Awesome by Nick Butterworth. My dad is awesome. He is as strong as a gorilla. And he can run like a cheetah. And he can play an instrument. And he is a great cook. And he is fantastic on roller skates. And he is terrific at making things. And he can sing like a rock star. And he can juggle with anything. And he is not at all scared of the dark. And he tells the funniest jokes in the world. It's great to have a dad like mine. He is awesome. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.